Hello YouTubers, Big Dogs 1269 here for you. Found my dad's old chainsaw here. It's a McCulloch, I don't know what year, but here's what it. McCulloch Power McCulloch 310. Fucker's nice. Hey, this is when I used to build them. I'm gonna do a cold start. This thing hasn't been started since the summer. Let's see how well it does. No primer. It's only got choke. See how long it takes to start. Wow, that fucker started up pretty fucking quick. Holy shit. Put this back in the hole. Want to go for two? Want to see a dirty old fucking wheel horse start up? Cold start? Hasn't been started up since the last snowfall. Let's see if this fucker starts. Go for one. Let's go for two. Choke. Throttle half. Let's put it in neutral. Ready? Come on, baby. Fire. That was for you, Pepper Cat Keith, for that fucking wheel horse shit you like. Check out that baby. And this is what my dad bought for it, right there. Snowblower! Junk! It's too smoky in here. Alright, YouTubers, you know what to do. Comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me how you like those cold starts. The biggest cold start I would love to do is sitting right there. That hasn't been started since I parked it there. Need some kind of work to it. I have to figure it out. I have to wait till warmer weather to do that one. But, you know what to do. Comment, rate, subscribe. Until then, what's a good till then? I don't know what's a good till then. Until then, make sure all your equipment for the warmer months are good to go. This is Big Dogs 1269 saying bye-bye.